Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix X-Class app in app purchase not working. If your purchases aren't going through, follow these quick steps. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Purchase needs a solid connection. Next, go to settings and then go to your name and then go ahead and click on payment and shipping and make sure your payment method is verified. Next, force close Clash X app and make sure your X Class is on the latest version by swiping the bottom up and then swiping the X Class app away. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search ClassX and make sure your ClassX is on the latest version. And in the app, go to settings and then restore purchase to resync previous transactions. Privacy tip: only use your own Apple ID to avoid lost purchases. Quick fix: if the app still fails, log out and back and into your Apple ID, reboot your iPhone and try again. Contact X-Class support if the problem persists. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.